We're just going to do the choc-pea brownie. We're going to do this with a manual cooking method. So we're going to set it convection. We're going to go to 180. What we're going to do is set this to preheat. So what the oven will do then is alert us when it's ready to go. So that's the oven preheated. What we're going to do, brownie in. We're just going to set the timer. $20 minutes. We're also going to adjust the fan. So the first setting, it lets you turn the fan down. What you can also do, if you take it all the way, it goes to an additional setting. And what that will do is it will spin the fan one way for about 30 seconds, it will pause, and then it will spin back the other direction, giving you a much more even rise. So for a brownie, it's nice, so it won't dry the top out too much. We'll just set that at that. That's it. So, got our brownie. We've actually added an extra couple of minutes on this because this one's quite deep. As you can see, just set. Slight wobble, we'll let that cool and it will set. During the preparation of this recipe, you need to soak your peas and then boil them for an hour the next day. What we've done for this one is we actually just done them in a steamer. So we just covered them and instead of boiling them, so if your cooker's busy, we just covered them in a bit of water, put them in the steamer for an hour and a half, and they came out nice and tender. Saves you some space in your cooker.